Hey, Al Williamson here. I just want to share some of my thoughts regarding this crisis we're going through. You see more telegraphing about forbearance being offered for us because of this crisis we're going through. And that's what I'm saying. Hey, if a worldwide pandemic doesn't qualify for a mortgage forbearance, I really don't know what would. They're basically to tack it on. There may be some provisions about waiving the interest for tacking on. And first, let me say forbearance means postponing your mortgage payment or your student loan payment or your car payment, okay? It does not mean defaulting on it. And the provisions for that are inside your contract agreement, so it's already there. And you see there's going to be $1 trillion, maybe $2 trillion going to businesses, corporations, and banks. And we know from 2000 and from 9/11 and from 2008 that they oftentimes do not pass it on to us. So we need to ask for ourselves to make sure that we're not left hanging like we were in 2008, okay? So some people feel that, hey, if I can make the payment myself, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and that's absolutely fine. I felt that way in 2008 until all my resources were dried up and I didn't have any ability besides ask then. And then I was not able to participate in all the deals that were going. I could have bought some things for pennies on the dollar, but I spent all my money because I was too prideful to ask for help early on. So that's why I wanted to get in front of all of you and share that with you now so that you could take whatever it's worth. I've gone through two busts in 2000 and well, the savings and loan 1996 and 9/11. I was an investor then, as an investor in 96, 9/11 and the Great Recession 2008. And this is what I'm sharing with you now, is to take advantage of that. Call your bank on Monday, ask for forbearance on your mortgage, and call your other lenders as well, ask for forbearance so that you can have cash when this all blows over. You will have cash so that you can buy things penny on the dollar. And hey, most wealth is created during these downturns. I just want you to participate this time. All right, best to you. Stay safe, wash your hands, all those things. We are isolating ourselves here, and my family is. We're taking this very seriously, and I encourage you to do the same. Okay, God bless.